I'm about to unbox the tripod right now. And while I do that, because I don't have a tripod, the camera is set up on these pile of boxes. Hopefully it doesn't fall over while I'm filming. The tripod that I ordered from Amazon in 7 minutes or less. This is 60 inches. It comes from their Amazon Basics team. Let's open it up. I went with this one because it had a ton of reviews on Amazon. I think like 6,000 4- and 5-star reviews. It looked great. I don't know really what I'm looking for in tripods, but I went with this one. That way I can have something to use for the camera that I'm filming this on right now, which is the Canon EOS M50 video creator kit. You can check out that unboxing in the link below. But I'm gonna pop this open and we're gonna see how this is gonna work with that. They shipped it a box inside another box. Box on box. Amazon. Why did you send boxes on boxes? For the camera that I'm using, it's telling me that it's able to hold 6.6 pounds, which is great. It's lightweight. It's got some rubber feet on the bottom. It's lightweight. It's only 3 pounds, so I'm gonna be able to carry this wherever I go to vlog. After the box on box, let's unbox this box from the first box. It comes in a really cool bag. Travel bag. Looks great. Plastic. Well protected. Built-in level. I'm gonna start using this. I'm gonna attach this to the Canon M50 EOS. Rotational extender. Legs. Slide. And that's my new Amazon Basics tripod. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit that little bell for the next time that I post a video. And we'll see you next time, 7 minutes or less. Bye. And now it's properly secured on the tripod. All right.